In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive all chats in the ChatGPT app on iPhone. If your chat list feels cluttered or you just want a clean slate without permanently deleting anything. Archiving is a quick, safe way to tidy things up. It hides your conversations from the main list while keeping them preserved in your account, so you can focus on what matters right now. Start by opening the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet, since these changes sync to your account. From the home screen of the app, look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon, which looks like two horizontal lines. This opens the side panel where you can access your account and settings. At the bottom of that menu, tap your profile. This is where you'll find key options that control how your data and conversations are managed. In the profile area, look for an option labeled Data Controls. Depending on your app version, this may appear along with other settings like security, notifications, or storage. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit and double check your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Once you see Data Controls, tap it to open. Here is where you manage how your chats are stored and handled. You'll find an option called Archive All Chats. Tap that. Archiving will remove your conversations from the main chat list without deleting them. That means your chat content isn't erased. It's simply tucked away so you can start fresh while keeping your history intact. After you tap Archive All Chats, you'll be asked to confirm. This is a safeguard to make sure you really want to apply the change to every conversation at once. Tap Confirm to proceed. Give the app a moment to process. Your chat list will clear, and you'll notice the home screen looks much cleaner. If you were syncing across multiple devices, this cleanup will apply to your account, not just the device you're holding. A quick note on what archiving means. It's different from deleting. Deleting removes data permanently, while archiving hides chats from view but keeps them saved. If your goal is spring cleaning without losing your history, archiving is the right move. If you were aiming to permanently remove data instead, you'd use the delete options in the same data controls area. That's it, a fast, reliable way to organize your ChatGPT app and reduce clutter while keeping your conversations safely preserved.